Hello and welcome back to my videos. In this video I want to speak about the bootstrap-vue and how we can use the spin button. The spin button it's using to increment the numbers, like from the shopping basket when you want to put one more in the basket and remove one from the basket, increment and decrement. And that's what we're going to play around with today. I really hope you want to subscribe to the channel and like and share this video if you want. Don't forget, if you have any questions, please smash the comments below and I'll try to answer you as fast as I can. And don't forget to, all my source code will be found on the GitHub, and here you can find all my projects I just share with my videos and something like that. And you can decide to follow me on GitHub too to get more pings from me. That's it before we are starting, and so let's coding some code. The first we want to create now should be a very basic one. So we can just say b-form, and then we say spin buttons down here, and then we model and say spin value 1. We want to pick about the minimum should be 1 and max 100. That's meaning if you want to spin it 100 times, you cannot go raise it more than 100. I will just put this one in so we can see what's happening. Spin value 1, that's what we're gonna do, and that's going down here and add the spin and give it to 50. Let's go in for the browser and see how it's working. You can see we have 50 here, and I can just increment it and decrement it, and that's it. So if you have it in your web shop, of course it will be much smaller, but this is the basic what you want. So that's pretty cool. Let's going back for the editor again and speak for the next step. If you need to make it like if you have 1 to 10, and every step you want to do should be in 0.1, then you can do this. So you're not locked for a completely number. You can do it in a smaller range. So minimum 1, maximum 10, and the spin volume here should be, let's just say 1.5. just to play around with it. And I can just say the step here, step should be 0.1, and you can just say 0 here. That's fine. As you can see, when I increment it and decrement it, it will be 0.1, and I cannot go below than 0. I can just put it up here again. So that's how you can work with the steps. And it's pretty cool to know that. So know that when you're working with the numbers here and you're going from 1 to 0, then when you hit 0, it's blocked and it will not increase the number. And if you're going for 0, it will not decrease the number. With the spin button, we can use the wrap here, and what this meaning. If we just copy this one and say 0, that's we can going when we hit 0 and hit decreased one more, this will change to 10. I can show you how this is working. I think it's easier. You can see when I hit up here and going for 10, and then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If I go back, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 10. And that's how you can work with wrap if you need that. I cannot see why you should use this, but yeah, it's an option and you can work with it if you want. If you don't need it, you can just put the know-how in the trash. Now when we speak about something here, whoops, I need a little bit design here so it's look more nice out. I'll just copy this one, and then I will say inline. That's what we're gonna work with now. Put 4 here, and as default, when you use the spin button, it will be blocked. That's meaning it will try to be so last as possible from A to B in the screen. So it depends on your container how it's working. The inline doing is trying to fit as small as possible, and that's what we want to work with right now. And I can see it here. You can see here, and it's pretty nice too. So it's contained the 10, and we can going down, and it's look more like the shopping basket. So you can press something here, and I'll just say the B here, so we can get it below. And the next step we're going to do, it's support. Now it's only from the side to the side. If you want to flip it around in vertical, you can just say vertical, and then you can do this the same way. Just use the 5 here. And going forward, you can see 2 here. So it depends on how the design you're working with, how it's react to. Maybe you're sitting and thinking about it could be nice to have the own content inside this spin button. You can do this. I will demonstrate it by using the day from Sunday to Monday, and then you can change the day which you want. Normally I think this one is thinking about to use the numbers because it's working so good, but if you want, you can use it for other content if you're used to. So let's going down and copy this one, and we need to call it 6. And I'll going down here, and I'll just say the default value should be 0, and I will just create a day formatter, and value should be return this day's value. And the days we want to do is say days, should be Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, Tuesday, Friday, Saturday. That's the day. And then we going up here and say minimum and max 6. We don't need this anymore. And we want to enable the rep, and then we need the formatter function. Should be day formatter, and then v model should be spin. And that's it. We can going back for the browser here. Oh, we have some error here. I'll just going back to fix that. And then we're gonna remove we only need one of those, so we remove this. And oh, this will not working too. We need to add this in the methods. So that's what we're gonna do down here. So let's go for the browser and see how it's react now. And you can see here it says Sunday, and I can go back here to Saturday, Friday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, and Sunday again. And you see the value here is it's fit the day of the week. So that's it, and thank you for watching this video. I really hope you appreciate that, and I really hope you're learning something from me. I appreciate to have you here to the video, and I really hope you want to subscribe here from the channel. And don't forget to ask questions in the comments field if you have any questions, and like and share this video if you want. If you want to get the source code, don't forget I have it on my GitHub, and you can follow the link in the description below, and then you can get all the source code I have published. Thank you so much, and hope to see you next time. Bye.